now. I'm trying to find like the handle for it. I have another one I'm gonna be using pretty soon, so I can show you guys some views of the car. But for now, I'll make sure the sunroof's open a little bit. I don't want to get too much road noise, but I do want to get you guys to hear the blow-off valve. So that's the whole point of this video. So I'm back. I'm just having you guys back seat ride right now. Camaro Super Sport. But let's see. Try doing a pull real quick to see how the car sounds like in general. I haven't really done a full-on pull yet with the AV6 blow-off valve just yet, so this might be a first. If you can't tell, the roads are a little rainy right now. They're a little bit slippery, so hopefully we can get some traction. For sure though, when I put the blow-off valve, the responsiveness for damn sure got a lot better. The turbo feels like it spools up a lot quicker. There's no lag in between, but like in between pulls, there's no like trying to catch up or trying to get the boost up quicker, or you know, it just starts lagging. It's none of that no more. I used to have that with the stock blow-off valve. I used to cut off a little bit, but now for sure. So it seems a lot more responsive. Feels almost like when I put the roar pedal, similar but different. This is more just towards the turbo aspect of things, of performance, compared to the roar pedal is just pure engine with the throttle response. Oh man, but I'm loving the blow-off valve sound though. I'm gonna give you guys some shots too from the outside. It's not gonna be the only shots. I just want to get you guys to kind of hear it real quick. Popped open a little bit, not open this way, just popped up. So hopefully you guys are catching everything. Hopefully. on it, but here's the car now. Start you guys off right after that footage right there. I think it sounds pretty freaking sick. The blow-off valve, I had to do it from the bottom, lift it up with the jack stands, but it ended up pretty good though. There's a little adapter for the GoPro right there. I feel like it didn't give me more boost or anything like that, but I feel like it just does a lot more. Helps the turbo do its thing a lot better. And as for the product, if I recommend it, 100% I recommend it. 1000%. Let me pull over. I just found a park. I can actually record right here. You know what? Nah. Someone's right there and I ain't trying to rev it in front of them and have them feel a certain way or something. Hold on. It's a pretty cool neighborhood. I just found it right now all of a sudden because I was trying to look for a spot to record and have some roll shots with the camera right now, how I had on the side, and I don't know, I just drove for like 30 minutes straight towards the west side of Phoenix, and now I'm out here, so I think it looks pretty dope. We'll see where this takes us. Oh, I think it's a dead end. Yo. I'm gonna just cut you guys off so I can find a location so I can rev it. So I want to get some shots of the blow off from the outside from the stand, because I do have a stand, so we'll see. Give me a sec. In my pocket. Heard that. Hope you guys loved the video. Hope I convinced you guys enough to get the product yourself. Make sure you go to sxthelamentengineering.com. They got the blow-off valve there for the for pretty much every single Hyundai and Kia that's a 1.6 turbo, 2.0 turbo. I mean, you can check their website. They have two different kinds. The one I got is for the 1.6 turbo and the 3.3 turbo from the Kia Stingers and then the Genesis. But you go on the website yourself, you can be able to see all the products. They have it for a bunch of cars. But oh man, I'm loving this blow-off valve. Just to say a couple more words before I end the video, I really recommend it. Another Veloster turbo. Distracted there. But so yeah, I really recommend it. I hope I convinced you guys enough to get a blow-off valve yourself if you have a turbo car, because it's pretty fun. And then the whole thing about people being scared about losing boost or whatever, just get one recommended for your car. Like for example, the one I got was made for my car, and the way it's set on the website, it got tested to push over 400 horsepower with all the mods and still work. So you don't have to be worried about any mods or anything like that, like damaging the blow-off valve. it'll be perfectly fine. I have, for a quick reference, I have the cold air intake. I got the custom downpipe with no cat, the catless downpipe. I got the piggyback module tune. Pretty much is from it's a race chip that was made for the Honda Elantra Sport. It says 55 horsepower and 85 torque. I do feel a big difference when I put it on. What else do I got? I got the resonator delete pipe. That's pretty much what they call it. It's like a little pipe that connects from the turbo to the intercooler. There's a little pipe that goes in for a delete for a little resonator that has in there. So I got that little pipe in there. I got the Iridium spark plugs, the M45 XLs by HKS, I believe, if I'm not making a mistake so far. So far so good. What else do I got? Oh, I got the performance ignition coils. You can go back on my channel. I have it, the whole product, and I think the whole installation and everything, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. I have installation for most of my things, but with the blow-off valve, I didn't do one because it was a little bit of a pain. It's not that it's hard to do, it's just the scale 1 through 10, I'll give it like a 6 from what I've seen. It's just annoying. It's not hard, just annoying to do. So yeah, I think that's pretty much everything I got. And then the oil, I'm running 5W40. For those if you guys are asking what kind of oil I'm running 5W40 only because I'm in AZ, and right now it's pushing 110 degrees on average. So I mean, I can't be running that 5W30 no more, because a lot of times I used to heat sink my engine and my turbos, and I will lose boost. I mean, my turbo, and I'll lose boost. So now I'm running the 5W40, and it's always running just great, strong all the time. It feels like it's a cold engine at all times, so it feels pretty cool. Got really torquey with this oil. What else I got? So that's pretty much everything I got so far. But I did get the hot pipe, and then that's coming in about, I don't know, 5 to 6 days, depending on how the shipping goes. I don't know really exactly where it's coming from, but I did go to Sxth Element Engineering also as well. I went to their website and got myself the hot pipe. I got it ordered in because I don't know, I just fell in love with the blow-off valve. I feel like with the blow-off valve, this car just feels way more controlled and just feels way better. And just feels more responsive. Every time I kick the throttle, it just never lags on me. So I'm really excited about that. I love it so far. The sound's amazing. The throttle's amazing on it. The turbo lag it just seems nearly gone. It just feels almost natural aspirate at this point, but just with the fun of the boost picking up at the end when you're flooring it or whatever, or when you're going through gears. The pops, if you heard the pops in the video and you're new to the channel, that is completely stock. This car is just straight up just bolt-ons. There is no custom tune, no ECU tune, and none of that. Everything is completely stock, besides like the block, I mean, and the ECU. Everything just plug and play and just bolt-ons. So if you're thinking about doing it with for yourself, for a Honda or a Kia, like the Forte GT or the Elantra or whatever, you have a 1.6 turbo or 2.0, any of them, do any straight pipe to any of those cars, and you'll be getting pops guaranteed. All these cars, that's why I love them. They're just made for this performance, and I don't know, it just always picks up quick. Boost is always there, the torque is always there. Loving the blow-off valve. Can't wait for the hot pipe to come in. Once the hot pipe comes in, I'll probably do an install on that, just because for informational purposes, I want people to be able to do it themselves as well. And it'll be cool to have more people with all the mods that I got, because if I'm loving the car so much, and I've had cars before, imagine everyone else, or imagine you guys with your car doing the same mods. It's just a fun car. I love it. It just feels like a go-kart. And yeah, so enough talking. I'm pretty sure I got through every point I wanted to, being that I haven't made a video in a while. So hope you guys liked the video. Share it, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, make sure you comment below on the comment section, and I will get back to you. A lot of people always put questions about in the comment section, and I always reach back to them. So don't be afraid that I won't answer back. Make sure you ask all the questions. I'm I'm not gonna hide anything from you guys. Everything you see, the car's running 54,000 miles. I mean, all this is all just from everything I got. It's running strong, never had a problem. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.